A really nice festive view here from California Adventure into Disneyland. And you can see the Christmas decor right around the corner. I know it's not really feeling like it with this weather, but actually we're going to get there just in time next week. But the big question has been the possibility of rain heading into Christmas. And I know it's a big travel week, and yes, we are tracking some rain for next week. Now, which exact days and the timing, that's still debatable, and we still have to wait until it gets a little closer, until it comes together a bit more. But we're going to let you know which days over the course of next week that we could see the opportunities for some rain. Not much visibility here from this camera over into downtown LA, but it's about 48 degrees too, so it's cold, it's foggy in some spots, and then our temperatures will get warm again this afternoon, pretty much each afternoon through the rest of this week. Even with a cool down this weekend, that cool down is still going to be on the mild to warm side. It's 43 degrees down into Temecula. It's chilly there. Bundle up this morning, especially Covina, 40, 47, Chino Hills, Burbank, also in the 40s, as well as Santa Monica. And so the next several days, while we're still dealing with these chilly overnight lows and ideas, sometimes a 40-degree difference between 40 to start and nearing 80 in the afternoon. And that's quite a big temperature change as we get into the next several hours today. Dense fog advisories in place through about 10 o'clock, and it's covering more areas this morning. So we have a little bit more of it outside, not just for LA County and Orange County beaches, but also several miles inland into the LA Basin and then inland Orange County too. Visibility is down to less than a quarter of a mile, so just be really careful driving. Hopefully we start to see this dissipate fairly soon. Those are set to expire by about 10 o'clock. This ridge is building just slightly today. We also have a little bit of an offshore push between tonight and tomorrow too. So some of these factors will help us warm up. We're going to see these temperatures change on and off here the next several days, that it's just going to be about a couple degrees each day. All in all, the afternoons are just going to be warm. We have opportunities for rain in Northern California as we head into this week, but as I take you into this weekend, you see it drops down a bit lower and this ridge starts to break down a bit, so our temperatures come down, but we're not seeing that troughing pattern, and that's such a good indicator that we will see some cooler air usher in. We kind of just even out as we get into this weekend. These isobars aren't moving along with the weather pattern here. Hopefully get that working soon. But as we head into next week, we start to head into Tuesday, and sometime between about maybe even Monday, but more so Tuesday through Friday, we have some opportunities for rain. It might be on and off. It may just be 1 to 2 days. But right now, this is what we're looking at as we head into Christmas Eve. And then it looks like we could have another round heading into Christmas. And so we'll see what happens as we get days in the 80s, and then we'll get down to some 70s. But the warmest spots will even be in the upper 70s still tomorrow morning. And then more morning cloud coverage as we get into this weekend. And our highs at the coast drop to the above average. And even the storm next week looks to be on the warmer side. And so we don't see a whole lot of snow associated with it. It's tapping into that moisture from the south, and that means a warmer system, Tony. I'll send it back to you.
All right, Brianna, thank you.